Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how you can add a custom animated subscribe button to your YouTube videos, just like this one here, somewhere around here. Anyway guys, stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. For the purposes of the tutorial, I'm going to be using the iPad Pro, but you can use any PC or Mac. My photo editing app of choice is Affinity Photo, and I'm going to use that to create the initial subscribe button. If you use an Affinity Photo, just start a new document, make sure that you use a transparent background. We're going to get the circular rectangle tool and we're just going to draw out a rectangle. I'm going to colour that red, and then we're going to make a smaller square which we're going to place inside that rectangle, and we're going to make that white. So we'll just place that inside. Then we're going to make a triangle, or should I say the YouTube play button. So we'll just get the triangle tool out and we'll get that drawn out. We'll rotate that and we're going to make that red, and that of course is going to sit inside the square. Now we're going to get the text box out and we're going to create our subscribe text. We're going to colour that white and we're going to place that inside the rectangle. Now that we've created our subscribe button, we're going to animate it. So first thing we do is to export it. We need to make sure that we export that into PNG format. I'm going to save that into my local folder, and then I'm going to open up Keynote on the iPad. We're going to use this to animate the button. Before we actually animate it though, we need to create a new presentation, and you want to be giving that a green screen. I'm going to go for a lime green. Okay, so now we import the button that we created earlier. That will then appear on the green screen. So we place that in the top right hand corner of the screen, and we're going to add some animation to that now. So I'm going to add some bounce to it. Then we want to create a mouse cursor, or something that resembles a mouse cursor. And I'm going to give that a path animation so that it looks like it's moving towards the subscribe button. Okay, so we're getting there now, guys. What we want to do next is we want to export, or should I say save, that presentation as a movie. So we just go to export as movie, and I'm going to save that in my local videos folder. And once we've done that, we need to export the whole thing into our video editing application. Now I'm using LumaFusion. So we find the video and we pull that in. Now, because we've got that green screen and we've added it above our initial video, you can see it's basically overwriting what is already there. So we need to edit that out. So we go to Key under Edit on LumaFusion, and we go Green Screen Key. Now, as you can see, it's removed the green screen, but the quality looks a bit dodgy. So we use these hue, saturation and brightness ranges to kind of bring the quality of the cursor and the subscribe button back. Now we play it back and it's looking how we want it to look. So that's it, guys. We're finished. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment if you enjoyed the video.